Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello and welcome to your Business Bites. I am Dashan Hendricks.
The executive chairman of Supreme Ventures has had his contract extended by a year. The company's board made the announcement on Tuesday saying that Gary Peart's compensation with the extension is in the form of shares of the company in lieu of cash. At the end of March, Gary Peart directly owned 1,082 Supreme Ventures shares, which were valued at $28.93 each at the close of trading. Opposition spokesman on foreign affairs and foreign trade Lisa Anna says Jamaica should seek to carve out a piece of the global bottled water market. Hannah made the proposal on Tuesday as part of her contribution to the sectoral debate in Gordon House. She said the country could target taking a US $1 to $2 billion share of the pie, which is expected to grow to over $450 billion in the next 5 years.
And those are your Business Bites, a wrap of the top business stories of the day. I am Dashan Hendricks.
Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.